Hey there! In this video, we will focus on scheduled calls in detail. You will learn how to view your scheduled calls, edit them, and cancel call assignments. As far as we know from the dialer calling options video, scheduled calls are personal meetings that agents have scheduled with leads. There is no need to keep all your personal meetings with leads in your memory. The system will dial such leads at the appointed time. It will also open the leads cards for you or display frames from the CRM during such calls. The Meetings for Today widget on your agent dashboard shows how many meetings you have each day by default. The My Future Callback section below displays the contact's details and the exact time of the meetings, and allows you to scroll between the days. More controls are available on the Scheduled Calls page. To open the page, click the Meetings for Today widget. You can also expand the Workspace menu and click Contacts. On this page, you will find all meetings assigned to you. To search for specific meetings, apply the filters with campaign, lead, or time preferences. In the Call After column, you can edit the date and time of your future callback. Click the field next to the needed lead. In the pop-up window, select the date and time. Then, click Done. Below, select the time zone according to the lead's or agent's time. Finally, click Save. The new time for the future callback will be set. From this page, you can also call the lead directly and immediately by choosing the call action on the list. Besides, there are options to view and add comments for the lead. View the lead history and filter it by action type. And cancel a personal assignment. Please note that this action removes leads from the list and places them back in the general pool, so you won't be able to see them. Be very cautious. Check out our other videos and enjoy working with the dialer.